Hello there, welcome. Today I just want to talk about math concept which is percent, or we also call percentages. This is so funny that it is very easy, but still people have confusion on this. So let me start saying that any fraction can be expressed as a percent. How? Very simple. By multiplying that fraction by 100. So you have a fraction, you multiply that with 100, you will get the percent. It's as simple as that. Look at the examples. 50 over 100 is 50%. 0 over 100 is 0%. 5 over 100, all these are fractions. 5 over 100 is 5%. How did we get there? Or how did we do this? Simple. Look at the box. Input, and you do the working and you have an output. So input is 50 over 100. 50 divided by 100. What's the working? Working is 50 over 100. That's the input. You multiply that with 100. So you get 50%. You want to have more examples? Look at the first example. 350 over 100. It's 350%. 10,000 over 100 is 10,000%. So what did we do here? If you have a fraction, you can get the percent by multiplying that with 100. So look at on the right side. Any two numbers can be described as a fraction or a ratio. 2 is half of 4. That means these two numbers, 2 and 4, I'm expressing 2 as half of 4. 4 is double of 2, twice of 2, 2 times of 2. Anything you could say. So how do we write it? 2 divided by 4. That is 2 of 4. 4 divided by 2. That's nothing but 4 of 2. We'll continue with the further of this, how we actually will be continuing these percentages, how the questions should be asked, and how we can answer them. Okay. Continuing the fractions and the percent. For example, you are given express 2 of 4 as a percent. 2 steps to follow. Step 1, get the fraction 2 of 4. So write it as 2 divided by 4. Step 2, multiply that fraction with 100, which is a cent. So 2 over 4 times 100. You could also write that as 2 over 4 times 100 over 1. And you multiply the numerators. 2 times 100 over 4 times 1. So you get 200 over 4. That is 50%. So you have to do the division. Whichever division you learnt. Dividing 200 by 4, you will get 50. But then since we are talking about the percentages, we put that symbol, percentage. The same thing can be questioned differently. How much percent 2 is a 4? Same thing we do. Step 1, get the fraction 2 over 4. Step 2, multiply that by 100. So 2 over 4 times 100, you get 200 over 4, which is 50%. So this is the simplest way we can do the percentages. So you need to remember that the fraction, step number 1 is a fraction. I haven't said it's a proper or improper fraction. It's a fraction. Then you multiply with 100. You get the percent. The next one, we will talk about how do we convert various things in terms of word problems. Okay, stay tuned.